Alright, so today we're going to teach you guys how to weld. So basically what we're going to start off with is our safety equipment. So first off, we got our safety glasses because safety is the #1 priority. Then we got our welding jacket can come in what? Leather and fabric.
Sorry. Go ahead.
Then we move on to our gloves. Our gloves can be heat resistant with no holes.
Heat resistant. There's no holes.
And then we move on to our auto targeted helmet. I already checked everything, it's all good to go. And then you want to have leather boots on so you don't burn your feet, like steel toe, just in case you drop it.
Right.
Now we have proper protective equipment on. Now we hit our ventilation. Start it up to protect us from dangerous fumes, which is carbon monoxide.
Alright, so our ground, we already got hooked up to our negative terminal, and our electrode holder is connected to our positive. We're gonna ground this, clamp it down on our workpiece. You can't see, here, come over here, I'll show you. We're going to attach our ground to our work table, which you see where it's cleaned off there. It's not good to ground on a dirty workpiece. You can see where we cleaned it off. So we're just gonna ground that out before doing anything else. And then I'll set up the rest of it, untangle our electrode holder, and plug the power in when I'm done.
The rod we'll be using today is a 6-11 rod, and the amperage range we want to set it to is 85 to 90 amps. So we're just going to turn it on right here. And the piece of steel plate that we're going to be welding on is roughly a 1/4 inch thick, and a piece of steel, and that's it.
Daniel forgot to mention that you need to put it on the stick setting in order to stick weld.
So I turned the ventilation off for the time being so I can hear what I was doing. You want your fan pretty close to your workpiece. I don't put my face above this. It's not really going to be an issue for me, like breathing in those fumes. We got our 60-11 rod. 60 stands for the final weld strength, which is 60,000 pounds. The third digit, which is a 1, which is really hard to see. Third digit, which is a 1, stands for the position you can weld in. This is an all-position rod, so you can weld horizontally or vertically. And the final 2, or the final 2 is an 11, which stands for your flux type. This is a high cellulose potassium coating. Yeah.
Now I'm using a wire wheel to brighten up my bead after I've used the chipping amber to knock off as much slag as I could.
So this isn't the, final product, but this is our practice bead. I'd say it turned out pretty okay for me not using that rod in a long time. 60-11 is kind of tough for me. I prefer 70-18, but that's irrelevant. All right, back up. Back it up. Back it up, dude. All right. All right, anyway. You good? We're gonna turn it off now. And then I'm gonna unplug it.
Like so. I don't know about it. Here you go.
Then we unplug it, right?
Yes.
We're gonna do something like
ground.
this.
The ground.
Well, normally you'd wrap it up a little better, but for now I'm just gonna do one of these. And then we're gonna take it down, the ground, and our electrode holder. We're gonna just wrap these up around this handle here. All right. And you'll end up something like this. Our finished product.